Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your Ubuntu setup. Today, we're diving into how to uninstall Firefox in Ubuntu for 2025. Whether you're switching to a different browser like Chrome or just looking to free up some space on your system, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Ubuntu's package manager makes this process straightforward, but always remember to proceed with caution to avoid any mishaps. First things first, let's open up the terminal. You can do this by searching for Terminal in your Applications menu or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+T once you're in. We'll start by updating your package list to ensure everything is current. Type in the command sudo apt update and hit enter. You'll need to enter your password for sudo privileges. That's just Ubuntu's way of keeping things secure. Now, to remove Firefox, enter the command sudo apt remove Firefox. This will uninstall the browser while leaving behind any configuration files. If you want a cleaner slate and to remove those config files too, use sudo apt purge Firefox instead. After that, it's a good idea to clean up any unnecessary packages with sudo apt auto remove. This helps free up disk space by getting rid of dependencies that aren't needed anymore. One common issue you might run into is permission errors. Double-check that you're using sudo and that your user account has the right privileges. If Firefox was installed via a different method, like a snap package, you might need to use sudo snap remove Firefox. Always verify the installation method first to avoid confusion. And just like that, you've successfully uninstalled Firefox from your Ubuntu system in 2025. This process keeps your setup lean and mean. If you run into any troubles or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Ubuntu tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.